So here we're asked to find the value of this expression when x is equal to 5. And so we're given this expression here, as you can see, with the fraction, and we're going to have a few different terms of x here to basically plug in x is equal to 5. And this is just kind of some practice to basically plug in a number where we see a variable and then find a definite value. So it's going to come in handy for functions and all that. But I'm just going to start writing it out now with 5 instead of x in it. And so as you can see here, I've just found the places where we had an x, which was once on the top and also once on the bottom. And wherever that x was, I just put in 5 instead. And so we've got this kind of new looking fraction now with just numbers in it, and we're going to be trying to find out kind of how this looks when we simplify it a bit. So we've got 3 times 5, which is going to give us 15. So that's just coming from this kind of this first term up here on the top. So 3 times 5, and we simply leave the 5 beside it the same. So we've got 15 plus 5 on the top, and then on the bottom we're going to leave in our square root for now, and we're just going to square our 5. So we've got 5 squared, which is going to give us 25. And then we've got a minus 9 as well in that square root. And so it's starting to shape up now, and we see that it's getting simpler and simpler looking. And so we're almost there now, and we just need to add our 15 and our 5, which is going to give us 20. And I realize I'm doing this kind of in a lot of different steps just to make sure that it's clear enough what's happening in each step. But we've got 20 on the top of the fraction, and then we've got the square root of 25 minus 9, which is the same as the square root of 16, because 25 minus 9 is going to give us 16. And so we're almost there now, so our 20 stays on the top, and then the square root of 16 is going to be 4. And so by simply leaving our 4 on the bottom, we have 20 divided by 4, and that is going to be 5, because 20 divided by 4 is 5, and so that is going to be it for this question.